Hello friends. So today I'm gonna show you different type of Udemy paid courses which are freely available on Udemy. You can complete those courses. You can just watch those courses and gain knowledge. These courses are for Python, Excel, basic to advanced, English, AWS cloud certification, JavaScript, and Instagram clone app to master Android. These courses are variety ranges of courses which are available on Udemy, Python, English, tenses, and various types of courses that are available. I will just show you those courses and the coupon you should have applying for just gaining discount for those courses. So you can see those coupons and discounts in the link in the description. I just explain those courses in detail, so please watch the full video, please. Okay. So the first course is for Tableau training for data science. It is best course for the person who is willing to go into the data science and just jump into the data science category. It was good courses for the data science category. It is 9.5-hour courses. It is freely available and the coupon is Tableau SS. This coupon you can easily apply this coupon and get this course freely as you want it. Now the second course is the basic for Python. Okay, the Python for the beginners. It is 1 hour course. You can easily complete this course. It is freely available. You can get the certificate after completing this course. This is a coupon you can apply and get this course freely. Now the third course that I am gonna show you is basic essential for Excel formula and function course 2020. This is course which is 3.5-hour course for the Excel who want to learn Excel and make himself advanced in Excel. So you can learn this course freely. It's available on Udemy. It's paid course. You just have to apply this coupon and can learn easily from this course. The next course is for the English grammar and tense structure. Those who are willing to work in the English field and got some want certificate of English grammar and tenses, you can easily learn from this course. It is 1 hour course whose coupon code is just this coupon code you have to apply and get this course freely. It is for English grammar and tenses. You can just learn subject verb and how to agree between them, learn different kind of tenses, different cases, English sentences, and separate audio files that are available in the course for you. Now this is again next course for the Python tutorial for the beginners. Is 12.5-hour course. It is a big course. You can learn easily from it. It is easily available with free certificate. You can just apply this coupon and get this course easily on the Udemy. How to understand and formulate the problem that can be solved by Python, you can learn from this course. This course is divided in various categories. You can just see these categories and complete this course and get the certificate. Now another course is MSSS practice test for the interview. It is for MSSS student who want to learn MSSS. It is just 6 practice tests. You have to learn MSSS from some another source and just practice these tests, so you can just prove your proficiency in this MSSS. Now the another is AWS certified cloud practitioner. It is best course. I think it's 5 practice test course that you can learn. Then you can learn it freely and just apply this coupon code and you can just complete these 5 tests and earn the certificate. Now another course is Microsoft basic Excel to advanced. This is best course for Excel. You can just learn Excel from the basic and just move up to the advanced. You can just apply this coupon code and get the course. Now another course is Instagram clone app to master Android. Now this course is for the Firebase, the learner who want to gain some experience in the Instagram, Android from basics to masters, Android clone app using Android and Firebase from basic to master. This is the coupon code and this is the course. You can just check out and earn the certificate and learn it. Another course is for JavaScript and query. You can just learn this course. You have to spend 2.5 hours. You can learn about JavaScript easily and just complete the course and get the certification. Now these are the courses, different type of courses: Tableau to basic Python, essentials, grammar, MSSS, newly available AWS certified cloud masters. You can learn this course and get the certificate. All the links are available in the description, row wise continuously. The link is available. The first course link is available on the first place and the second course link is available on the second place. Just apply the coupon code and get the certificate freely. Just click on the link, apply the coupon code is also available in the details. Just subscribe the channel, stay home, stay safe, like the video, and for the more updated videos on courses, news, and other educational stuff for the career advice, all the things you will get on this channel. And just subscribe, like everything that you can on this channel. Just do it. Now thank you. I will update more courses, more free courses for your knowledge. Stay home, stay safe in the corona times. Thank you.